Hi, I'm Dan, CEO of Perseus Materials, and our mission is to simplify how we build our biggest structures. Composites have untapped potential, being the easiest material to build oversized components with. And at Perseus, we aim to make custom large components even outside the factory walls to reduce supply chain logistics, assembly labor, and joint failures in our built environment. Composites are by definition made of multiple materials. Each component can provide independent levers on properties and processing. Properties are fiber dominated, but processing is resin dominated. Now, this is unlike metals, in which properties and processing are inextricable. The same chemical interactions that make a metal strong also mean you have to heat it to thousands of degrees to process it. Now, in composites, with resin chemistry innovations like the ones we've developed at Perseus, we can hack composite processing for incredible new capabilities. Our first innovation is a new continuous molding technique that looks like pultrusion, except we can change the outlet geometry during the pull, allowing for beautiful lofting curves. And I'm excited to tell you more at JEC 2025.